Here we go.
At Saranac Lake Airport, it was cloudy. The temperature was 57 degrees, with a dew point of 49, giving the relative humidity. The National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jefferson County in central New York, Lewis County in central New York, eastern Oswego County in central New York until 6:15 p.m. At 4:53 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located 12 miles southwest of Stony Point, or 12 miles west of Sandy Island Beach State Park, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include 3 Mile Bay, Turin, Montario Point, Lacona, Amboy Center, Bellwood, Lafayette, Stony Point, Glen Park, and Copenhagen. This includes Interstate 81 between exits 33 and 52. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
First SPR of 2025.
Lewis County in